exactly is Graphenizer? It is basically a complete treatment of engine given to the vehicle in order to restore vehicles lower performance of vehicle or over consumption of fuel and lower efficiency. The treatment called Graphenizer is given to the vehicle in the first category is Graphenizer 1, which is decarbonizer. G1 is decarbonizer, which is designed to remove carbon deposits from the piston within the engine. It will clearly clean the valves, injectors, nozzle pump, which reduces the knocking sound, engine noises and vibration. Instantly restores lost power while boosting acceleration and increase mileage up to 20%. Now the second category, Graphenizer 2, that is instant engine heat reducer and lubricator. It is basically a metal treatment that would reduce the engine's heat up to 60% while extending engine's oil life by up to 3 times. G2 is used in the engine oil tank, so it protects the engine by forming a graphene layer which protects the engine from friction and wear and tears. This foam layer helps in stopping oil leakage while also extending engine's lifespan and most importantly the power. Graphenizer 3, that is instant mileage booster. G3 is used in the fuel tank to remove bacteria while separating fuel molecules for better performance and mileage. The special formula of G3 breaks the chain of hydrocarbon bonds, which helps in removing sludge and overall improving the fuel quality that allows it to burn fully. This is
intently increase the mileage. You can even check the mileage 50%. If you go, they're giving extra mileage of 50% on highways.
Graphenizer, a complete engine treatment for all vehicles with instant results in just 10 minutes with up to 50% extra mileage. Check the pollution test before and after the treatment. It is trending top #1 in Google. Search as Graphenizer, first of its kind in the world. For dealers and distributors, visit www.graphenizer.com. Call or WhatsApp